studio, and today we're going to be making Cicada Part 2. Before we get started, you're going to need a cup of water, a safe place to do your art, and a paper towel. Let's get started. Step 1 is to paint your cicada. Put it on a plastic bag to dry. If you made a mistake, don't worry. You can always paint over it once it's been dried. Next, we're going to paint the habitat. It'll be like this one. Done with my cicada and my cicada background. I'm gonna let them dry and catch up with you guys on the next step in a little bit. Okay, I let my cicada habitat and my cicada dry. Now I'm going to be adding my cicada to the habitat. We're using glue dots. They're on the inside of this. They might be really sticky, but there are a lot of them, so feel free to experiment. So I'm going to be glue dotting this cicada to my background. So I make a ball with it almost, and I put it on the leg, and then I put that leg somewhere. But I'm gonna do all the legs first, and then put it down. And I can put some on the belly. In fact, the more glue dots, the better. We're going to take off the wings of this binder clipped collection, and we're going to use this Sharpie and draw a design on your wing. The next step is to attach the wings to the cicada using the glue dots. Now, I suggest you apply the glue dots to the wings before you apply it to the cicada. Baseball player, a scientist, a doctor, but now we have to think of a name. So you're going to take your Sharpie and think of a name. I'm going to name mine Leroy. The cicada. And that's his name. And then I'm going to put a little star there for no reason. And then I'm going to take off this sticker and place it right on the bottom of my thing. And there we go. I have my cicada. Now do the final touches on your cicada. You can do some paint job, you can finish your name, you can do some designs, or you can add something from home. But remember to do the pupils of your cicada. Bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to send us pictures of your beautiful masterpieces. Bye.